squeeze it nice and tight.
Can I come through here, please?
Can I do Emma's pouring?
So, how big do you guys think you need to pour the pancake?
Not that big. Not that big. Like medium. Put me
There
on.
you go.
I'll say big and put me that big.
Big. Well, we're going to do medium size.
Yep.
And I need you to pour very carefully because this is a bowl, not a jug. We don't want anything going down and onto the stove top. So go ahead, Gia. Okay, and up. Yeah, that's a good size.
A little flip.
And now pop that to the side. I'll let you flip this one over as well.
I'll
This can
let
be your pancake.
I'll do Emma's since she's too small for you. You meant
We'll
Emma's?
let Emma, with some assistance, pour her own.
Emma's not even here.
Sorry, Ola.
Yeah, I was just like, wait, it's how? Yeah, how can those two?
Alright, Gia, tell me when you think you need to flip it over.
I'm still staring.
I can see that.
So long.
I think everyone's staring.
No, I'm not. I'm shaking my eyes. I'm staring. Crossing my eyes at the same time. I'm shaking it. I'm crazy.
Alright, do you want to test around the sides? See if it's pulled away from the
Nope.
pan.
Oh, nope. Nope. It's not ready.
You sure?
Yep.
I reckon it's ready.
No, it's because when she went under, like, look, it just started going. Look, it just started going.
But this is ready, and it's, you can tell because the edges are starting to go brown.
Yeah, but the other edges aren't.
Yes, but they're cooked. You see that? So if the edges are cooked, then you can flip it over because that means the middle's cooked as well.
But then it will stop breaking.
No, it will not start breaking unless you don't flip it correctly. But I believe it. So you got to shimmy under it first, make sure that it's a
Oh,
little.
I did. Oh no.
Yeah, no, that's perfectly fine. It's going to cook anyway. And then carefully flip it over. You got it?
Oh god. You got this, Gio?
It doesn't matter if it's coming down the sides, it'll all join in at the end.
Yeah, it will all join in the end. I've done this. I need to do this. Mucked up pancakes. No. Damn, I'm bad at flipping them.
Okay, you got to flip it over now if it's getting burnt.
Okay, how do I flip it over?
You carefully just go like this, yeah? Boom.
Oh!
And then hold on to this with your other hand. Yeah.
And then just push it to the side.
It's a little crispy brown.
And that's awesome. So I make a baby pancake. Mommy pancake, baby.
Oh, I make Thank you. Now that'll probably be done. It doesn't take too long to cook on the other side. So
Can I flip this one too?
sure. But do you want to bring it over onto this plate now because it's ready? Make sure you hold on to this with your
Like this
other
one's
hand.
not ready.
It is definitely ready. Can you
What?
hold on to
What?
this?
It's burnt.
Guys, Gia, I need you to hold on to the handle of the pan with your hand to stabilize it. Now, scoop under and transfer it to the plate.
Well, how about the baby pancake?
She can get the baby pancake now. That's all cooked.
I cannot grab it. Damn, this baby pancake squiggly.
Alright, there's your pancake.
Squiggly baby pancake.
You can
Thank you.
Squiggly
you know
baby
with grab cutlery if you like it.
I want a baby pan. A squiggly little baby pancake.
Alright, so I'm going to pour for you, Ola, but I need you to tell me when to stop pouring.
Oh, love.
Ola.
Ola, what?
It's Orla.
Ola?
Yeah.
Someone's been telling me Ola. Anyway,
It's not me.
so,
It is you.
You're evil.
It looks pretty nice.
Baby pancake. Moses, did you?
What's the tiny? Is that a baby pancake?
Yeah, this is the bubble.
Oh, I love it. It looks very
And
nice.
Moses, I call it the family. But the baby, and I was like, come back
Can
here,
I
baby.
ask you
Squiggly
something?
baby.
What are you gonna eat with that? You gonna use your hands or you gonna get some cutlery? Oh my God! Sit down.
It's nice and crunchy.
Yeah.